Hey guys, today we are going to play ramp jumping on sport cars. So, there's like a lot of violence in this game, so that's why I picked this game. So, Seahawks 21 is... I thought Commanders were out. Well, Commanders are cooked. Well, since we want the best quality, I'm at to press servers. Since we want to have the best of the best, we cannot afford it. You might never ever see this game or this video. Alright. See the lagging. Wow. Wait, I did what's there. These Lambos. Alright, where do we want to spawn? Monster? What's the is that the monster? No, this is the monster. Can you just... Whoa. This is the game. This is not a... Oh, this is a BMW. Alright. Whoa. That's cool. Subaru? Ooh, Subaru. See, how do you drive these? Oh, wait, I think I'm driving it. Oh, okay. Whoa. I guess I'm going down. Is this Brookhaven? Oh no! Is that Brookhaven down there? What the heck? What? Before it. Oh, I think I'm. Oh. Yeah. The tire. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is like the old Brookhaven. I'm sorry. Oh, wow. No! Oh, this is the Brookhaven. This is the old Brookhaven. This guy wants to be a tryhard. Yeah, guys, this is the old game, bro. There's a tank in here, too? That car's loud. I'm guessing this is the tank. No, it isn't. Why is it not? Oh. This game has a problem with that. Nope. Where is the... What's this? No, let me move. Bro, stop! So I swear. Now let it load. Is this a laggy game? Never mind. Whatever it is, it's quiet. I think it's a Tesla. This is how quiet it is. Whoa, it's bouncy. Bro, that is nuts. Yo, dude, if someone... I swear, dude, I hate when people crash, you know. This kid weird, bro. He's lucky on to me, man. I'm going up. This laser. Okay, I'm almost there. It looks like my speed is getting higher. Oh god, no. No. It looks like my speed is getting higher and low at the same time. Wow, it's getting louder. Yo, I might actually do this. Oh, I'm cooked. No, I'm not. I just made it back up. I'm probably the first one that ever did that. That's crazy. Well, got it. Oh yeah, here's that one car that. Okay, so I went. I'm good at this. I drove a golf cart today. I know how to drive. I'm good at this, I thought. Come on. Yes. Whoa! I'm going so far. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, which I know you guys won't because you guys are not into cars. But if you did, make sure to drop a like and make sure to subscribe, comment, share. If you don't want to, don't care. But all that matters is trying to entertain you and trying to grow bond. So, love you guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Oh, stone. Peace.